Keep on keeping on, the power of perseverance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and motivational English phrase, keep on keeping on. This expression is all about persistence, endurance, and the spirit of never giving up, no matter the odds. Whether you're learning English, facing challenges in your personal life, or striving to achieve your goals, understanding and applying this phrase can make a big difference. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday life. Keep on keeping on might sound a bit repetitive at first, but that's exactly where its strength lies. It's a call to action, encouraging you to continue doing whatever you're doing, despite difficulties or slow progress. This phrase is often used as a form of encouragement or to express solidarity and support. Key points. Persistence. The phrase emphasizes the importance of continuing with your efforts, even when the going gets tough. Endurance. It's also about enduring difficulties and not letting obstacles deter you from your path. Motivation. Serving as a motivational reminder, it tells us that maintaining our efforts can lead to success over time. While the exact origin of keep on keeping on is not clear, it has been used in various songs, speeches, and writings throughout history, making it a timeless piece of advice. Its popularity suggests that the idea of perseverance is universal and has been valued across different cultures and times. Key points. Historical use. This phrase has been popular in music, literature, and speeches, often used to inspire hope and resilience. Universal appeal. Its continued use highlights how perseverance is a universally admired quality. Incorporating keep on keeping on into your daily language can be both uplifting and empowering. It can be used in personal encouragement. Remind yourself to keep going, especially when learning something new or challenging, like English. Supporting others. Use it to encourage friends, family, or colleagues who are facing challenges. Goal setting. As a mantra for achieving long-term goals, reminding you that persistence pays off. Key points. Versatility. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts to inspire perseverance. Empowerment. It serves as a powerful reminder of your inner strength and the value of continuous effort. Keep on keeping on is more than just a phrase, it's a philosophy for life. It teaches us the value of persistence, the importance of resilience, and the power of staying the course, even when the end seems nowhere in sight. We hope this video has inspired you to adopt this mantra in your journey, be it learning English or navigating the ups and downs of life. Remember, success is not just about the destination, but also about the journey and the countless times you choose to keep on keeping on. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational insights. See you in the next video.